Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing associative property. For associative property, it's very important that we should know that we have to take 3 whole numbers for proving this property. Remember, in commutative we took two whole numbers. Now we will be taking 3 whole numbers. So let's start with associative property for whole numbers with respect to addition. Now what does associative property means? Means to associate these numbers. Means if you are having 3 numbers 2, 7 and 0, this is what I assumed. I need to add because the operation I took was addition. Associative property says you can take any 2 numbers, you can add any 2 numbers first, then add the resultant with the third number. So pairing, it's up to you. Suppose first I will be adding 2 and 7 and then 0, and second time I will be adding 7 and 0 and then 2. Let's check whether we are getting the same answer or not. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 0 as it is, which will be 9, correct? Now 2 plus 7 plus 0 is 7, 2 plus 7 is 9. Can you see we are getting the same answer? So can we say 2 plus 7, if we have taken this as our first pair, will give us the same answer if we will take the other 2 numbers as the another pair. In general, we can say if we are having A, B and C as 3 numbers and you are taking A and B as the first pair for addition in first case, and in second case you are taking B and C as a pair for addition, the answer will always be same. Hence associative property is true for addition. Okay, let's start with second operation, which is subtraction. Let's check associative property for subtraction. So for that, let me assume 5, then 3 and 9 be any 3 whole numbers. So for associative property, what we discussed, we only need to make the pairs. So let me take first pair as 5 minus 3 and the answer I will subtract 9. Okay, in second pair let me subtract 5 minus and 3 minus 9 first. Let me check whether we will get the same answer or not. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 minus 9, which will be minus 7. Here 5 minus, remember BODMAS says solve the bracket first. 3 minus 9 will be minus 6. 5 minus and minus is plus 6, which will give you 11. Can you see the answers are not same? Hence associative property does not hold for subtraction for whole numbers because it will not give us the same answer. Is the thing clear? And you can remember, you can relate this thing with one more thing. In closure property, for whole numbers, subtraction was not closed. And can you see the reason? We are not getting a whole number, so it's not valid. Let's check the third property, which is third operation, sorry. Let's take it as multiplication. And let's take these 3 numbers only, 5, 3 and 9. For multiplication, what should we do? We should make this as a pair and we should try with another pair. And we need to check whether we will get the same answer or not. 5 3s are 15 into 9 as it is. 15 into 9 is 135. Here 5 into 3 9s are 27 and 5 into 27 is 135 again. Can you see you are getting the same answer? Hence associative property is true for multiplication for whole numbers. So in general, if we want to write A, B and C are 3 whole numbers which we want to multiply. So 2 possible pairs can be either you multiply first by second number or you multiply second by first, you will get the same answer. Hence associative property is true for whole numbers under multiplication. And the last operation now, division. Let's check for division. Let's take the same numbers 5, 3 and 9. 5 divided by 3 divided by 9 and 5 divided by 3 divided by 9 should be the answer. Should be checked, right? So in first case 5 divided by 3, can I write it as fraction? You can solve it right as decimal and then you can solve it, that's up to you. Now 5 upon 3 divide by 9 means into 1 by 9. Remember in fractions we reciprocate the second one when we change the division sign to multiplication. So our answer is 5 upon 27. Here 5 divided by 3 upon 9, which will be 5 divided by 1 by 3, which will be 5. Again divide sign changed to multiplication in the reciprocal of this, which will be 15. And it's clear that these two are not same, hence associative property does not hold for whole numbers under division. I hope this thing is clear. Associative property is clear to all of you. Thank you.